Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a while, but we're doing some more stuff to the E46 again. I think since the last video I've already done so much to it, but I haven't recorded any of it, and I'm going to stop doing that same thing. So I'll try and record more and keep you guys updated on the build. Yeah, I think since the last video, well, I think the last one was where I got the downpipe and tune. Since then I've put a welded diff in it, lowered it or whatnot, and a few other bits. But the point of today's video is we're going to do a clutch delay valve delete, and we got my guy Madood standing there like a statue to help me with it.
It's have some fun.
Yeah, you guys know him from the golf swap video. He was there, my boy who helped me pick up the engine. With that being said, my engine crane stopped working. It's not lifting anymore, bro. I took the engine out of this other Golf right there, and then halfway through it, it just stopped lifting, bro. At least it didn't drop. So instead of lifting it up, I had to take the front end off while the crane was still there, because I didn't want to risk lowering it and then putting it back up.
Yeah.
So yeah, I need to sort that out as well at some point. For today, we're gonna remove the clutch relay valve, and then some more things are coming in future videos, but I'm not gonna spoil any of that. For today, we'll do that, and I'll also show you guys how to do it for yourself too. Right, guys, so we're under the car, and I'm going to show you what the delay valve is and what it does. So basically it's this thing, this little fitting coming from your brake fluid pipe going into the slave cylinder, and there's basically this joiner or like this valve that goes into the slave cylinder before the hydraulic fluid goes directly into it, and it restricts how much fluid goes to the slave cylinder, and yeah, it just slows down how your clutch engages. It causes it to slip quicker and wear out quicker than it should. So basically what you do is, well, I don't know if I'm going to take the slave cylinder off from here and then do it, but I think I might be able to just unscrew the nut wireless as it is, and then just screw this straight into the slave cylinder. That's what it looks like when you have the clutch delay valve removed. Basically just the pipe straight goes into the slave cylinder, and yeah, it's pretty simple really. So break this 11 off, just wind it back, put a 17 on this one, mole grips or something to clamp the pipe down, another 17 on the other one, take it off, and simple. Don't even need to take the slave cylinder off the transmission. This is what happens when you lower your car too much. You gotta freaking drop it on brakes and then drive it off. Almost got my jack stuck even with the brick under there. But yeah, we're gonna get washed up and then go for a test drive. And bro just bought a puncture kit. Okay, hopefully we won't have to use that anytime soon. We've been driving around for a while now, and I don't want to say it's a massive difference, but it's definitely a noticeable difference. And the gear changes, and moving off is a lot more smoother than it was in comparison to before. I would definitely recommend removing your clutch delay valve as well if you haven't already, because there is no point in having one if you know how to drive. With that being said, there is a lot more interesting and more exciting stuff coming up for future videos, which will be out soon, and I will try to not keep you guys waiting as much as I have since the last one, to get this car ready for drifting, because slapping a welded diff in the car doesn't make it a drift car automatically. So yeah, I think we can wrap this video up, and once again I would really recommend removing it, removing your clutch relay valve, because first of all it's not a big job, and second of all it does make quite a big difference in your driving. And that's a nice M3 right there. destroy him, bro. Oh, it's gone now. It's too far gone. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.